Good afternoon and welcome to another video with a guy, his projects, and the neighbor's stupidly annoying barking dog. Today this is a simple one. Today is more of a review than a how-to. Today we are putting in a bed mat, heavy duty bed mat in the back of this F250. This is the Dee Zee brand 86882 for this 2001 F250 short bed. Really, why are we doing this? So if you have nothing in the back of your bed, doesn't matter what year, if it's just the metal, you're going to end up scratching the paint, destroying the paint, and then you're going to end up with some rust and yada yada. You put a plastic tub back there, you punch your brakes, it's going to slide to the front, you hit the gas, it's going to slide to the back. A lot of people have the coatings, and this bed has a coating from the previous owner that is destroyed. It's peeling up, it's nasty, there's water getting under it, and I'm assuming the bed's getting rusted out because of that. But a lot of people spring in a bed liner. Spraying bed liner is great. I had it in the Frontier, loved the heck out of it. And other people do a tray, a plastic tray, and put it in there. I don't like those. I don't think anybody likes those. But we're doing a mat until such a time that I can rhino liner or bed liner of some sort, whether it be Line-X, rhino liner, I don't know, until I can rhino line the whole entire truck. Right now this coating that's on this bed, tailgate too, it's all peeling up and it's scratchy, and I'm putting items back there like furniture and it's scratching the heck out of it. Plus, you know, I like to put my kid back there in his bare feet sometimes, and it's just, we're gonna do a mat for the temporary until I can bed liner the whole freaking truck. So that's what we're gonna do. This is a heavy duty. They call it heavy duty, but it's not heavy because I'm not a strong person. Whoop whoop. But we're gonna see how this goes. I got a load of stuff right here ready to go to the storage unit, so it'll be perfect test. Let's put it in. Now I'm just gonna make the assumption that if you have to read instructions to figure out how to put in a bed mat, well, let's hope I don't have to read the instructions. Oh, we're just gonna pick it up here. Get your knife and gently cut along so we don't tear up our brand spanking new bed mat. I'm gonna link this in the description below as well to Amazon. And get rid of that. Ooh, smells like fresh rubber. Okay. Boop. I'm going to assume this goes in the rear because of this cutout, but that seems kind of odd that, you know, I feel like they could roll it up differently to make this easier. I mean, it's a freaking bed mat. I'm not complaining. I'm amusing. Okay, so just throw that in there, I guess. Boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Or they probably do it upside down so that it doesn't roll up on you. This way it stays down, I bet you. It looks nice. Ugh. Heck yeah. Fits in there nice and beautiful. Just spin this around. Pick this up. Pull that over there. Wow, it's nice. I like it. I think this will do good. It'll protect my stuff. It'll protect the bed for the time being until I can rip out this liner. In all honesty, I'll probably be replacing the whole entire bed at some point when I can find a good deal on a used one that's not as beat up as this one. So I don't see this flapping around anywhere. It is pretty heavy. Once I sit it in the sun, especially the Arizona sun for a day or two, I think it'll mold itself around all the blibber blobbers. So I know that was kind of a different video, very simple video, and quick. But if you're searching in YouTube for a video like this and you're watching it, then I'm assuming it's worthwhile. So as far as review goes, we'll give this a year or so if it makes it that long before I bed liner, and I'll update you guys what I think of this DZ heavy duty bed mat. But as of right now, I have zero issues with it. Looks great, smells great. I like the smell of fresh rubber. So yeah, if you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see other videos I've done on this truck, check out my channel and the playlist dedicated to this truck. I've got plenty of F250 videos as well, if that's what you got, as well as a few on the Nissan Frontier and plenty of others to go around. So yeah, check it out. Hit that subscribe button so you can see the next one. We've got some more coming up. My brother's coming over this weekend, and we're going to be working on his F150, replacing some bearings and tie rods. While he's here, he doesn't know this yet. I might have him help me put the blocks in the back of this. We're going to lift it about 1 inch just to make it look a little bit better now that we lifted the front end. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.